where and how to get load wallet naman. So, pwede sa One Bro office if malapit ka lang. If malayo ka naman doon, pwede sa mga banks like Metrobank, BDO, BPI at saka Smart Money. So, ang account name na kung saan ka magde-deposit is Uniwis Trade Sales Incorporated. Sa Metrobank, ang account number natin is savings account 0553-0555-17640. Sa BDO naman, savings account 253-001-3337. Sa BPI naman, current account 9661014633. And sa Smart Money Transfer, account numbers 557-5113-21646117. And then mag-text ka ng deposit verification code. Yan. So after mo mag-deposit, kailangan mo i-text to. I-type mo sa cellphone mo yung DEP space, registered name mo, comma, username mo or yung registered number mo, comma, kung anong bank yan, BDO or BPI, comma, yung branch name, comma, yung branch code, comma, yung date. So, yung format ng date natin is year-month-day, comma, yung time. So, yung time natin is set into 24 hours. So, for example, 8 o'clock. Lalagay mo doon is 20:00:00. Yan. Comma, yung amount. And then, send sa number na to. So, 928-508-3355. So, gawa tayo ng sample. Yan. Write messages. Registered name, comma, registered number, comma, kung anong bank, let's say BDO, branch, comma, branch code, comma, yung date, dash, month, then dash, yung day. Yan. Comma, yung time. So, let's say 3 p.m. magiging 15. Yan. Colon 00 colon 00. Then, comma, yung amount. Then, send sa number na to. 0928 508 3355. Yan. So, pag nasend mo na, may ma-receive kang confirmation text na okay na yung reload mo, and then antayin mo lang within 15 minutes to 2 hours. So, ganun kabilis ang load wallet replenishment natin dito.